Hello students, you're welcome on Learning with L&R, and today I would like to talk with you regarding the trends in nursing. And first of all, I would like to discuss with you about the introduction of trends in nursing. First of all, we would like to discuss about the administration. What is the meaning of this? Administration is the activities of group cooperating to accomplish common goal. Okay, in this, everyone in one organization have the same goal to accomplish the particular thing. Okay, in other words, it is the organization of use man and materials to accomplish the purpose, and administration is an essential factor is an development of any service. It is the definition or the meaning of administration. Next one is trends. What does it mean? It denotes general direction and tendencies, especially of events of opinion. Then the next one is nursing trends. It refers to direction towards which the different nursing events have moved or are moving, as well as the opinion in and around nursing that are found in and about nursing profession. Whatever the changes occur in nursing profession from the beginning toward today, that is the trend. The trend words itself mean is change. Whatever the changes occur in our profession, that is the trend, right? Then issues, a point or matter of discussion, debate or dispute, or a matter of public concern. Issues means whatever the problems occur in that particular thing, right? Then the next one is there are different changes or different trends in our profession. First one is social change. Because of our profession, in nursing profession, the changes occur in our society. That is the social change. Nursing profession serve to meet the need to the society, particularly the need related to health and well-being, because our professional serve for the patient care, right? And because of that care, the patient attain their rehabilitation, attain their recovery soon, right? The changes in society will influence to bring about changes in nursing profession. At present, efforts are made by government of India to deliver the health care to the community, especially in rural area. Then overall improvement in the education of people with ever-growing awareness about health and health need. Because of our profession, we provide the health education related to each and every disease related to the present issues related to health. And because of health education, the awareness in our society spread, or people are aware how to recover or prevent from particular disease. Now, women are more educated and take up jobs out of whom to serve and earn. In our profession, because the nursing profession, most of the female enter in this profession educated with professional knowledge and serve for the people, also earn, right? Advancement of technology, automatization, industrialization, urbanization. Then the next one is after independence, government began to make serious efforts to meet health need of nation by implementing recommendation of Bohor Committee. Then changes in other profession. Medical profession is fastly changing profession, and the era of specialization and super specialization has come. Right. Then modern healthcare facilities like ICU, ICCU, renal unit, organ transplant unit, etc. occurs. Then biomedical science have far advanced, resulting in newer diagnostic equipment such as scanner, new drugs, monitoring system in field of healthcare all over the world. Right. Then changes in nursing profession itself in the country, in India, tends to take up education leading to bachelor degree in nursing, master degree, as well as doctoral degree. And this trend is very good for our profession. Then trends related to tuition fee, for example, paid stipends, free hiring, accommodation, food and uniform, but services expected from the nurse. Trends related to changes in working condition for nurses. Okay. changes taking place in other countries in nursing world, fast growing trends to post basic degree programs. Now the before earlier the diploma, the personnel who have done the diploma, they do not pursue their education. With the help of post basic degree, they can convert their diploma into degree. Then INC promotes sharing of ideas and common interest between member of national organization, exchange of professional literature like international review, professional journals, articles, etc. Then current educational patterns in nursing, current trends and issues in nursing, reduction in distance through CD communication, mobile video conference have made it possible for the nurses to reach patient, doctor and other profession whenever need arise, along with verbal and non-verbal communication skills. Nurses also need to gain competencies in nursing information and technology, right? As you know, in the corona period, in the COVID-19 period, you have also attended the online classes. That is the classes. In these classes, we can use the net, and in this the distance doesn't matter. Then computerization for patient care management, easy reference on direction for patient care, record keeping, reporting, compilation of information, stock monitoring, auditing are some of the functions which have taken over. Ability to use computers for patient care management have become an essential qualification for nurses, and it is also good for our profession. Our professional also meet or learn about the technology with the help of this. Quality assurance in nursing care, public know their right? Because quality assurance, in the quality assurance, we aware the public regarding their rights, right? Okay. Decentralized approach to care management, this make each and every nurse responsible and accountable for the care of assigned patient. Then the next one is continuing nursing education. It has become essential to keep up with the changing needs of patient care. Nurses have to continuously update themselves with new and innovative approaches in patient care management. Then evidence-based practice for these nurses should have a scientific bend of mind and dynamic approach to patient care, because we apply the care technique which are scientifically proved, or we already have done researches on that. Then the next one is nurse-patient ratio. Adherence to nurse-patient ratio is necessary for providing quality care. Earlier, one nurse take care the huge number of patients. Now, the ratio of the patient and nurses are minimized or standardized. Next one is conduct of nursing research. Having knowledge is essential for the nursing profession. This is possible only through research and dissemination of research finding. Then the next one is nursing audits. Audit is required to keep the activities on the right track. It builds knowledge for the profession. It is very essential. Nursing audit is very essential for profession. Higher education for senior position in nursing. Nursing leader can guide and monitor the nursing team effectively because they have lot of experience in our profession. Then the next one is independent nurse practitioners. Then some issues in nursing. Renewal of nursing registration or diploma versus degree in nursing for registration to practice nursing. Then specialization in clinical area, nursing care standards. These are the points which become issues in our profession, right? Then issues in nursing education. There are some problems in nursing education. What are that? Nursing training school multiplied. Loaded of schools are opened, but quality of education reduced. Lack of independent building for school and college. Lack of independent principal for school and college, because only one principal or one building in used for the college or for the school. Inadequate hostel facility for students. Then storage of qualified teacher in nursing, shortage of qualified teacher in nursing, then inadequate library facilities, less supply of ABAs, less promotional opportunities for teachers of both school and colleges, then very less or no stipend for nursing students. These are the issues in nursing education. Thank you so much for your attention. I hope you have clear with these points.